Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a herb garden project that we need to work on. Winter is almost gone, spring is moving in, and this is the perfect time to go on ahead and start getting all of your herbs cleaned up for the next season. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how I do that in my herb bed today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful for maintaining and possibly growing your herbs in your small urban space. So go on ahead and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let's go on ahead and launch into this video. All right, so here is a perfect example of a section of the herb bed that really needs to be cleaned up. What I have over here is a very large marjoram, and obviously it looks pretty gnarly right now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go on ahead and go in and trim back all of this dead that you see here on camera, like so. Because if you pay attention way down here at the base, and hopefully I can get you in here. Let's see if I can move you in. All right. Down here at the very, very bottom. Hopefully that's coming through. You see that green down there? It's right down there at the very, very base. That is what we are wanting to come back and take over. However, it will not do that until we get all of these browns removed. So that's the goal for today. Let's go on ahead and jump into the bulk of the video. Okay guys, so cleaning up your herbs is really one of the easiest things that you can do, and I actually hold on to all of the dried twigs and I turn them into fire starters for the year. This is an excellent way to waste not, want not on an urban homestead. Everything really needs to have a purpose, and everything that you have out in your garden space and on your urban homestead really should have a use. And things like this, well, are going to be excellent to start our bonfires with, as well as keep the bugs at bay, because when you burn this, there is a mild amount of the essential oils still retained in the stem and dried leaf structure of these plants. So bonus, bug repellent. I mean, who doesn't like to keep the mosquitoes away? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to go on ahead and link here at the end another video on maintaining your herb bed, because it's a really important thing for you to begin to develop on that urban homestead wherever you are, be it in pots, in a raised bed, in ground, whatever you got. Maybe you're going vertical. Go on ahead and give that a try. If you don't have the square footage that you think you need, go vertical. Don't forget to grab our Digging Deep guide. It is a guide that is going to teach you how to grow an abundant, high-yield garden in any size space. I will have the direct link to that down below. And as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.